chat. So as y'all can see here, this is an unboxing video. Let's let's open this package really quickly, y'all. Yeah. Ooh. I hope they sent me the right size, because this feels big. Like, this feels huge. And I usually get a... Okay, period. Hey, oh my God, I like it. I don't even have to try it on. I know it fits. Hopefully. I spent $100 on this. But if you know, you done know the Essentials jacket, y'all. Drop $100 on this. I only order a goat, guys. Goat for the win. So if you all order things online from Essentials, goat is the plug. At least you know it's authentic. That's the only place I order clothes, actually, or I order from Psycho Bunny or like official websites. That's why I'm like an online shopper. That way, if it comes in the wrong size, I just send for another one to make sure that it's you know, also not just the right size, but brand new. Because stuff don't be brand new from certain places. So we got this, and I ordered a couple new stuff too. I actually just shipped back 2 Psycho Bunny shirts because they couldn't fit, and then I'm waiting to see if they're gonna get this one in stock in my size. But for right, it fits. It's just that I want a better fit. But I'm waiting to see if they get this one back in my size. If they do, then we gonna, in my actual size, then we gonna swap it out. If not, we just gonna keep it. I actually about to go do that right now. So I just put both of them in the same bag one time. These my stuff for my trip. I got 2 trips coming up, and then I wanted the gray one for my second trip because the other one I got be choking me for real. It be choking me. So I think that's all I needed. Actually, nah, fam. Let's grab my coach bag, because even though it's not the weekend, I work from home tomorrow and Friday. So we Gucci. Can move this out the way. Pack up my bags. About to take my dog with me, so yeah. Oh, guys, my new card came in the mail too. Obviously, I can't show you my card, but I am about to take it out real quick. I did get another card yesterday from my work, but it was like a different type of card, obviously. And then I got my new Bank of America card, because y'all be careful when ordering off HealthStar. Someone hacked into my thing, into my PayPal from HealthStar, and stole my money, and I had to report it to my bank to get my money back. So make sure y'all do that. And I'm pretty sure all I gotta do is go on my phone and activate my card. So about to activate my card and check Psycho Bunny to see if they got size in that shirt. So really quickly, and I gotta take my dog out, y'all. I forgot. I gotta take my dog outside. I gotta be careful. I don't need y'all seeing my card, obviously. So we about to activate my card. So activation status. Activate. I love the fact that you could get a new card so fast, though. Love that for me, because boy. Okay, now I'm about to go cut up my old card. About to cut up my old card, put the new one in, and because alright, boom. So, y'all, I lost my entire work keys the other day, and I still don't know where it's at. I just activated my card. I'm gonna have to watch this video to make sure I didn't show it or whatever. Let's Put that in there. Put my keys in there, of course, because I don't need them right now. And then we go to check out the Psycho Bunny thing. I clip this off. So I'm headed by my mom, like I said. Even though this card is old, I still don't want anyone having like my information or nothing. You feel me? So, card clipped in half. That's what you do, guys. Ooh, that's what I do, at least. I clip my cards in half. So let's check Psycho Bunny real quick. Let's do that. And then I could probably cut this up for real. I cut up my mail too. I don't like harboring mail, and I also cut them up because I don't want nobody having my info. So let's see if they got it. If they got it, then we both to hurry up, order it, and then we could take that one to USPS. Nah, they don't got it yet. They don't got it yet, but hopefully soon they get some in stock. Alright, chat, so we about to take my dog outside first. Even though I don't have to, I want to because I know she been here all day by herself. She can get aggy sometimes, or whatever. So, yep. Pull my chargers out of here. I probably gonna keep this bag with me just to put like weird stuff in. All right, come on, Snow, let's go so we could go where we going. And you all already know I gotta take my iPad with me for sure. We gotta do some editing, and just in case I wanna stay. I don't need my other AirPod, but I'm gonna take it anyway. My shoes. Ooh. All right, Snowy. People always be giving me funny looks in public with a camera, but it's like, I think it's because a lot of people haven't actually seen people vlogging in person. They just kind of see it online. You feel me? All right. That's that. Boom, biggity, boom, boom. Come on. Okay. I don't want these people to have a dog with them. She got that hit to beat the block. I got that bass overlap. She got that one from Y'all, let me make sure I don't got no homework real quick. So I literally just get off. So I be doing all types of stuff when I get off of work. It's probably elevator 2. And let's go to the bottom. And check the school. And here smell like vape. And I don't like that smell. Come on, let's go. A gal look in my eye like she want a piece. Every gal want a piece off of me. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Outside feel nice too, y'all. See snow. About to go on her daily stroll and take a pee-pee. Well, pee-pee snow. I'm gonna give you all this vlog today because this just gonna be one straight short video. Download this on my iPod and just upload it just like this. From my iPod, I mean. Download it straight from files. Alright, let's see. One class course home. No content. That's why I be seeing my due dates. No? I was on the right thing, I think. Okay, I don't have nothing to do for this class until April 28th. That's far. I got a long break chat. I hope I ain't missing nothing because usually I don't be having no break long like this for real. Okay. Course home. Oh, I'm already home. Let's see. Yeah, I ain't got nothing to do till the 27th, bro. That's crazy. Nothing due till the 27th, so I could chill until Sunday. Come on. Come on. What you want to do? Y'all should see how rude she is. Let me show y'all. Watch this. Come, Snow. Oh, you gone? You actually gone? She don't be... Oh, yeah, she do be going out this early. My bad. Alright, hurry up so we could go. Ugh. I hope I ain't stepping that just now. I did. Oh my god. I knew it. It's mushy. Oh. Yeah. Y'all, I gotta change my socks. I was legit about to go to the house like this. Literally. Got on some short socks. That not gonna work for me, brother. No, sir. I don't even know if that's snow poop or not. I just know that I'm about to go back inside. Cause it's... Come on. Talking about us every day. When they have so much to say, and we're closer today than yesterday. And I'll never leave you, I swear. I'll be there. When the people in my mash up your relationship, I'll be there. Your name, I can't stop your fame. I'll be there. Say he's so sweet that she wanna lick the rapper. So I let her lick the rapper. She licked me like a lollipop. She licked me like a lollipop. Bro, this elevator is taking mad long. Like, I pressed this thing a long time ago, bro. A long time ago. I love my remote days. I ain't gotta go downtown. I ain't gotta go downtown till next week, famo. Alright, this is elevator 1. There's 3 elevators in here, so I don't even be knowing which one I'm in for real. No, this isn't elevator 1, this is elevator 3. Shit. Wrong elevator. This is annoying. My Wi-Fi is tweaking at the wrong time. Yeah, about to change my socks and finish park our stuff. I might park her something. She don't need nothing though. Probably just, I ain't going that long. She gonna be fine. She licked me like a lollipop. Almost thought someone was in my apartment just now, bro. Oh, the peace you cannot buy is literally living by yourself. Even though I've been living by myself for a while now, I was in a relationship. My gal used to always be by me, so being somewhere where it's like ain't no female like pin hair or like always hair. Come on, let me take it off. It just make you feel different. You feel me? So now, we'll put our stuff in there. I doubt I'm gonna take anything for her. If she need water, she could just drink what she could drink now. Because I already threw away her old bowl too. Excuse me, y'all. Go drink some water. Ron. Go on, boo. You okay? You ready to go? You ready to go? Y'all, what I'm gonna need to do real quick is change these socks though. Seriously. Seriously, these socks I got on look ridiculous. Ow. I don't think I need nothing else. Just probably the pee, bro, because I got a long drive. These clean, y'all. Don't say nothing to me. These fresh out the washer. And yes, I have my iPad on my stove. I just wiped my stove too with Clorox disinfectant. So don't got nothing to say to me. Y'all about to go pee real quick. Y'all might hear me peeing. That's okay. Pretty sure y'all heard a human pee before. When my sport pan, I be so iffy with everything. Like, it'd be like I don't even want to like use nothing in my sport because I don't want it to be, But I think I'm about to put some moisturizing cream on my face too. I didn't even really have to pee. I be peeing a lot though, especially at work. Drinking so much water and coffee. She licked me like a lollipop. I wonder how I'm gonna take all these things and my dog in my hand, but we both to figure it out right now, child. That's hush. You're going. You're going. You don't need to make noise. You're going. You're going. Doing so much. Doing too much. DTM. Chill out. Ugh. Jump from Memphis. What you know about me? I'm Big Lil Davy in the BLE. Come on, let's go. Excuse me. Y'all, I gotta turn the camera off because I gotta lift her up with my other hand. So, be right back.